The Nanoleaf Skylight Smarter Kit is a revolutionary lighting solution that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to transform any space into a dynamic and immersive environment. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out. At the heart of the Nanoleaf Skylight Smarter Kit are the modular LED light panels. These panels boast millions of vibrant colors and a wide range of dynamic lighting effects, allowing users to customize their lighting to suit any mood or occasion. Whether you're looking to create a calming ambience for relaxation or a vibrant atmosphere for a party, the Nanoleaf Skylight has you covered. Installation is a breeze thanks to the intuitive modular design of the panels. Each panel attaches to the wall using adhesive pads, making it easy to arrange them in any configuration you desire. Plus, the panels can be easily connected together using the included linking system, allowing for endless design possibilities. But what truly sets the Nanoleaf Skylight apart is its smart capabilities. The Smarter Kit includes a control hub that connects the panels to your home Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control them using the Nanoleaf app or voice commands via popular smart assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. This means you can adjust the lighting in your space without ever having to get up from your seat. The Nanoleaf app offers a wide range of features to enhance your lighting experience. You can choose from a variety of pre-programmed lighting scenes, create your own custom scenes, and even sync the lights to your music for a fully immersive audiovisual experience. Plus, the app allows you to schedule lighting changes throughout the day, so you can wake up to a gentle sunrise or wind down with a relaxing sunset. In addition to its smart features, the Nanoleaf Skylight is also energy efficient, using LED technology to provide bright, vibrant light while consuming minimal power. This makes it not only environmentally friendly but also cost-effective to operate. Overall, the Nanoleaf Skylight Smarter Kit offers a unique blend of style, functionality, and convenience that is sure to elevate any space. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to impress your friends or simply want to create a more inviting atmosphere in your home, the Nanoleaf Skylight is an investment worth making.